Harvey Weinstein's trial is getting set to begin, and jury selection is going to start next week. But the case's notoriety may make it very difficult for the prosecution and the defense to choose an impartial jury to decide the fate of the disgraced movie producer who is charged with rape. Weinstein's attorney, Donna Rotunno, said she's confident that they will uncover biased potential jurors through questioning and looking at their social media accounts. In all, more than 80 women have accused Weinstein of sexual misconduct, and he has pleaded not guilty to charges of assaulting 2 women in 2006 and 2013. He faces up to life in prison if convicted. All right, let's bring back tonight's A-plus panel, social commentator Lisa Durden and former prosecutor, now defense attorney Bob Bianchi. Bob, I'm going to start with you on this. Just how difficult is it to pick an impartial jury with a case that has been talked about on every news source for a year?
It's going to be really hard. The prosecutors are going to be concerned about those set of jurors who feel that the Me Too movement has gone too far. And the defense attorneys are going to definitely be concerned that the Me Too movement jurors are going to be on there just looking to convict the guy to make a point and maybe eventually be able to sell their story about being on the Weinstein jury. So the judge is going to do a very extensive voir dire examination of these jurors. Each and every single juror, not like regular jury selection, is going to be individually probed about their social media, their opinions, things they've expressed to other people. Have they ever been a victim of sexual assault or sexual abuse or harassment? Have they ever been the recipient of it or the perpetrator of it? Have they ever been accused? Has anybody in their family ever been accused? It's going to be tough, Bill.
Can't you have an opinion and have had life experience, assuming everybody's had some experience of something?
Yeah, it's not disqualifying merely that they know about the case. What's disqualifying about it is if they say that they can't be fair and impartial, or if the judge determines that because of an experience in their life that it's likely they couldn't be fair and impartial. And let's not forget one last part of jury selection. The judge can remove them. They have complete control for cause, they call it. But the lawyers each have peremptory challenges as well, where they can eventually remove a juror for any reason that they want, although they're limited. It's going to be a long jury selection, Bill.
We've had this conversation here. So many people will come on this show, other shows, and they just assume he's guilty because of what they read on social media and in the tabloids.
I have been a juror on more than one occasion in Newark many times, well, about 2 or 3 times, and I've been up for jury and I've been dismissed. So it's going to be very difficult to find people that are in the middle. You're going to have extremes. He's innocent, he's guilty. But I think the probe that the judge is going to do is important. I have been on a rape trial before in Newark, and I was probed by the judge. And the judge asked me some questions, and the last question the judge asked me was, do I think I could be impartial? I said no, because it was a rape trial with a date rape situation. So if it was a stranger rape situation, I could have been impartial. I said no.
All right, I do agree most people can be objective, but I think they ought to just move the trial to some middle America town that doesn't know or care who Harvey Weinstein is. All right, thanks, guys.